While this dish originated in Laos, it's considered the national dish of both Laos and Thailand, consumed a lot in the Northeast region of Thailand. Larb is a wonderful, flavorful salad, and it has a lot of aromatic vegetables. In this case, we're going to use some garlic, then we're going to use flavorful shallots. Of course, green onions go in this, and lots of herbs. This is cilantro, which I carefully washed. Make sure it is very clean. You can use the roots, the stems, and the leaves if you have all three. Just give those a rough chop. Next is some very clean mint leaves. Of course, we're going to take lime, which is plenty sour, and squeeze that and set that aside. Here is the protein that I'm cutting up. You can use chicken thighs like I'm doing here or ground pork. Now the sauce. Tamarind puree goes in, a little bit of white pepper, some seasoned rice vinegar, of course fish sauce, very commonly used in the region, a little bit of sesame oil, and you remember the lime juice we squeezed, there it goes. Mix this together and you have a little sauce to moisten up the stir fry, which we'll get to. Of course, this is a spicy dish coming from Southeast Asia, so let's take some chili flakes and grind those into a powder. It's also very known for toasted rice powder, so we add rice to a hot, dry wok till it's golden brown, then we put in a little spice grinder and make a powder. A laab salad is always served with crunchy, crisp, cold vegetables. I like to use cucumber. I also love Napa cabbage, and the crunchiest thing of all, iceberg lettuce. So we make a tray of these cold vegetables, put them in the fridge so they stay cold, and then we heat the wok back up with a little bit of oil, and we start the stir-fry process. In goes the chicken. I like to season that with salt and white pepper here. Next, we're going to start to cook the aromatic vegetables. I start with a little bit of shallot, the white part of the green onion, and then I add the green part, which is a little more tender, of the green onion, and start stir-frying this. The last thing I'm going to add here is going to be the garlic. That was sliced up very finely. It's only going to take just a few minutes to cook, so continue to stir-fry this together, and you can see it's starting to look nice now. We're going to add in that amazing sauce, and this is going to help deglaze the wok. So there's a lot of fond that's stuck on the bottom, so use whatever you're tossing it with and really scrape as much of that stuff off as possible. Then you're going to wilt the herbs, put in the cilantro and the mint, and those are going to wilt very quickly. And then we start getting the other ingredients like the chili powder and the toasted rice. And we are just about done. Mix that together and then take your serving dish out of the fridge. The combo of the hot salad and the cold vegetables is amazing. Lastly, some garnish. I like to use mint leaves, some lime, and then some spicy, sweet chili sauce. There is a video on my channel for that. Now, let's eat. A little lime action. Smart. Let me go handheld real quick.
Just slap a little bit on top here. A little sandwich. Really good.
Not too spicy?
No. I can taste everything. It is all, I can taste the mint actually really well.